Hello everyone, my name is Megan Ryer and I am a junior here at Moravian College. My major is marketing with a minor in graphic design, and I have been working with the marketing office to create some GIFs to express your school spirit. So today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to find these Greyhound GIFs. We could put these on any stories, and we'll start with Instagram. So you can go to your home page and swipe right. You can take a quick selfie. And we want to go to the top where the little smiley face sticker is. We can click the GIF and type in Moravian College. And there are many different GIFs that you can pick from. So you can just put it on your picture and size it by pulling it apart with your fingers or pinching it together. And you can press as many as you like, or just one, and then you can send it to your story. And Snapchat is pretty much the same process. So we could take a picture and type in Moravian College. And then we can upload that to our story as well. So you can use these GIFs anywhere, anytime, whether you're on or off campus. They'll be perfect for homecoming weekend. Keep an eye out for new GIFs. You never know what will come.